Hi there, Mike Burgoyne with Mexico Real Estate Solutions. I am here at your new house in Playa del Carmen. We have a 3-bed, 3.5 bath, or with an office, or a 4-bed, 3.5 bath. We have a master type suite on the ground floor. I say that because it's a bedroom with a full ensuite and lots of closet space. So if you don't want stairs or prefer to have a bedroom on the ground floor for accessibility, you've got that here. We're in a small gated residential community, only 6 minutes from Centro Maya Shopping Plaza and a 15-minute drive to the best beaches in Playa del Carmen. This small residential community is only 7 years old and small and exclusive, only 55 residential lots here in the community. Birds are happy. Being 7 years old, you've already got some maturation of the trees and the palms. See behind me, that's the front of the house. And I'll turn the camera around. You can see this small street we're on. Right here is the clubhouse. You've got a kids' playground, a shared common pool, an events room, and a gym. The HOA at the moment is enhancing the space. They've just replaced their HOA management team. That's it. That's the entire length of your block. Here you've got parking for 2 cars, covered. Lovely garden entry, and come on in. All right, once inside, you've got a nice open layout, living area, lots of window in this house. You'll see there's windows everywhere, so it's nice and bright. Yet great strategic cover and shade, so your areas are also livable, outside and in. Great big kitchen. I like this breakfast bar area. Got a computer here, so this is a great workstation, or just that, just a space for your breakfast. You've got a pool outside. Lovely cooling plunge pool, coffee bar, dishwasher, and a service entrance to the side of the house. Loads of cabinets. So this house is intended for living, though you're also permitted to do vacation rentals in this home. And if you're vacation renting this, I don't think you're sad to have a great outdoor lounge pool area such as this. Beautiful jungle behind. That one day will be a residential community, likely similar to this. We've got netting across the top. It keeps all the debris from landing in your pool. This is a great addition, this laundry and storage space. And here's, on my right is the service entrance and gateway through the front gateway. Having this bonus laundry and storage space is very, very nice. Let's go check out the rest. I mean, this is where I'll be spending my time. I feel a breeze out here. I'm outside, birds are singing. Stairs when you come in, heading up. AC unit being replaced on the wall there, so that'll be brand new for you. Got a coffee bar in the kitchen. Here you get your wine bar. Half bath. And this is where I say you could consider this to be a master principal bedroom with all of this closet space, windows on 2 sides. You do in fact have room for a king bed here. And of course a full ensuite bath with storage below. So again, this is absolutely intended for family living. Let's go on upstairs. Before I race upstairs, this is, coming back this way, very cozy family living area, and totally private, obviously, just to give you a different angle of your shiny new home in Playa del Carmen. The house is sold, furnished, turnkey, ready for you to enjoy. And now we'll head on up. On our right is the true second bedroom, although it's identical to the one downstairs, with the closet space and the same ensuite bath. The true principal bedroom is here, with a nice big walk-in closet, walk through to the ensuite, floor to ceiling windows. Beautiful birds here in the mornings and mid-late afternoon. Plenty of closet and storage space in here, really. And your primary ensuite bath. So that's 3 bedrooms. We've got a 4th here, which could be an office if you prefer. Currently functioning as an office. Daybed for some inspiration, could be a great studio. You got skylights in here. Got some pigeons coming to say good morning. And then walk out to your private terrace. An iguana climbing up the tree right here. Great neighbors. They look after their space here. Maturing trees, palm trees, green and friendly. This branch is here actually to help facilitate iguana and bird movement. Neighbor on the other side doesn't use their yard, so you'll never see anyone back there. So this is great private morning coffee, evening glass of wine, wind down. And I really do like this space. Office flex room, I think, is super. All right, thanks for watching. The price, the HOA fees, the property tax, you'll find all those details via the description. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. This could be your new home in Playa del Carmen. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Sorry, we're going to see the clubhouse quickly right now. All right, here we walk up to the gym area. They say the HOA has committed to stocking and putting proper new equipment in here. We got restrooms at the back, cardio, windows, green space. And now let's check out the common pool, events room, and kids play area. Here, so you can spend time with the family, your neighbors, events room. Want to book it for parties. You've got restrooms behind, great pool area, and a kids play zone. So everything a true family community needs to stay healthy and active. Your new life in Playa del Carmen. Thanks for watching. Well, since it's also important to understand the community, the Thula residential gate is right here. Across the street, we've got Plaza, Valenia. How convenient is this? Let me show you how convenient. Commercial plaza with ice cream shop, coffee. Let's take a look. Laundry coming soon. This restaurant. Of course, you need a salon, coffee shop, and it's brand new. So you've got more coming. Also, because since you're here, you're going to get to know the value of an OXO. You've got one right here.